Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Chatwith. So Chatwith is a platform that lets you create and train your chatbot. You can train it using your website data or it could be a PDF file. There are also a few other methods in order to train your chatbot. And one of the best features of Chatwith is the Zapier integration and also the API. So this way you can use the real-time data gathered from chatbot on some other apps. And the great news is Chatwith is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is close to $400, but at AppSumo you are getting this tool at only $59 for your lifetime. And as you can see, there are already 11 reviews and overall the reviews are pretty good. So now let's see all of the plan and features of this tool. So you get the chat with the API. There is unlimited embeds, which means you can embed your chatbots on as many websites as you want. Then there is chatbot that can be trained on your website. There are 95 languages. So as you can see, the platform is available on a lot of languages. That's a very big plus. And then there is also pop-up or widget. Then there's this license tiers that you can buy from AppSumo. The tier 1 costs $59. Here you can create 2 chatbots and the amount of messages per month is 2000 and you have 5 million training characters limit. This is going to be spent when you train your chatbot using various data. It could be PDF file or your website data or any other methods. Among all the tiers, I think this license tier 3 seems to be the most promising. It is going to cost $279. You can create unlimited number of chatbots with this. The amount of messages per month is 7000. Then there is massive amount of training characters, which is 20 million. You can also bring your own OpenAI API key. And once you do that, you can also use GPT-4 for powering your chatbot. Then you can also remove the powered with Chatwith, this branding, if you buy this license tier 3. So if you want to buy Chatwith on a lifetime deal from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. And if you're new to AppSumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let's go to the dashboard of Chatwith. After you log into Chatwith, you are going to get this dashboard, and on this section you are going to get some statistics such as the conversations this month, total actions used, total conversations, and also total sources. You can also get a chart about the conversations in last 7 days. So before I explore all the features of Chatwith, I would like to show you a preview of this chatbot. So the first thing I want to take you to is this knowledge base. So this knowledge base is the primary section that will be used in order to train your chatbot. And for that, you have to click on add knowledge source. As I have said earlier, there are a lot of methods to train your chatbot. So on this box, you can paste the website URL, or you can also paste the sitemap of your website, or you can even paste a YouTube video link, which means you can train your chatbot based on a video link, YouTube video. You can also drag and drop various files. For example, it could be PDF file. Once you do that, you have to click on add to training data, then click on start training. This way you can train your chatbot. So I have already uploaded a PDF file, this one. And as you can see, the status is saying that it is trained, which means my chatbot is trained based on this PDF. So what I'm going to show you is this PDF. Open this PDF. So here's the PDF file that I uploaded on Chatwith knowledge base. As you can see, it is about SEO basics. So there are some chapters. So I'm going to ask some questions from this PDF. For example, here, as you can see, keywords are the foundation of SEO. So let's ask this question. So I'm going to click on this preview. And here is my chatbot. Now let's ask the question. And there you go. As you can see, the chatbot is working perfectly. It has came up with a very accurate answer. And I also really like that the chatbot has not made the answer unnecessarily long. It is pretty short and also very accurate. Let's ask another question. So let's ask about this ethical link building strategies. Let's say in this question. And as you can see, the chatbot is answering exactly according to that PDF. So it is safe to say the chatbot is working perfectly. It is coming up with very accurate answers. So now let me show you the other features of Chatwith. So after dashboard, we have this conversation section. So on this conversation section, you will get all of the conversations that your chatbot have engaged with. So as you can see, my chatbot has engaged with these 2 people. So this was the conversation that I just showed you. And what I really like about this is that you can even refine the responses directly from here. So someone asked, what is the foundation of SEO? So it has said that the foundation of SEO is keywords. But if you want to change that, for example, you want your chatbot to say the foundation of SEO is off-page SEO, you can also make it say that. Just click on refine response. Then here's the question and you have to change the suggested answer from here. So what you write on the suggested answer, it is going to answer exactly according to that next time someone asks this question. And then we have this appearance settings. So from here you can change the appearance such as the chatbot name, the placeholder text. So as you can see, it is now type something. So you can change it to something else on this box. You can also change the welcome message. So here is the welcome message. You can also change it. Then there is the bubble text. So if you have some text to show in the bubble, you can also add that on this box. Then there is the accent color. So as you can see, it is set to blue. You can also change that. Then there is the theme. So it is currently set to light. You can also change it to dark. Then you can also change the chatbot avatar, the button icon, also the button alignment, and you can also disable the powered with Chatwith. So this is the powered with Chatwith branding. You can also disable this if you buy the license tier 3 from AppSumo. Then we have some settings. So on this general settings, you can change the system prompt, the language model. So it is currently set to GPT 3.5. You can also set it to GPT 4. For that, you have to bring your own OpenAI API key. And then you can also add some message suggestions. So you have to provide the level here and the message sent to the AI on here. You can also add multiples if you want. Then there is your chatbot ID. And if you want to white level chat with, you have to click on this. Then you can add a custom domain. And the great feature is you can even enable this customer portal. So enabling this customer portal means you can customize the portal exactly according to your own branding. So this is super useful for white leveling. Now, if you want to delete your chatbot, you have to go to this, and then from here you can delete the chatbot. Then there are some actions or some integration options available. So let's go here. So first is this webhook, and using webhook, you can make your chatbot trigger actions on various useful software such as ActivePieces, Make.com, Pabbly, and more. So this is amazing. There are a lot of popular tools on here that you can integrate with. Then there is the Shopify integration. You also get the API, and obviously there is the famous Zapier integration that lets you interact with more than 6,000 plus services. And obviously we have the knowledge base, so you can use it in order to train your chatbot using various methods. Then there is the installing part. So after you complete preparing your chatbot, you have to install it. And if you want to do that using JavaScript, just copy this code and then you have to paste this code on your website. And for that, there are also some tutorials. If your website is on Webflow, so you can open this and see the tutorial. Or for example, it is on Wix, you can see it on here, how to install. Or WordPress, you can also see the tutorial from here. And then you can also install using iframe. So here is the iframe code snippet. And there is also a landing page even for this chatbot. So here is that. So you can simply copy this link, and if you give someone this link or if you open this link, it is going to open a landing page where you can directly interact with the chatbot that you made. And then there are the refinements option. So once again, this is exactly what I showed you a little bit earlier. So if you click on this add refinement, now you can add a particular question and then you can give a specific answer. For example, if someone asks, what's the color of sky? If you want your chatbot to say, for example, red, so you can simply do that and click on save. So the next time someone asks this question, the chatbot is going to answer this answer. So this way you can add some refinements. And then you have the preview where you can see your chatbot, chat with your chatbot and your account settings. Overall, I think Chatwith is an excellent chatbot creator. It lets you create unlimited chatbots. There is also a huge amount of characters that you can use to train your chatbot. The license tier 3 gives you the ability to train your chatbot on 20 million characters. That is huge simply. So if you want to buy Chatwith on a lifetime deal from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Let's see all the plan and features. So here are the features, and these are 3 tiers that you can buy from AppSumo. So if you are new to AppSumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description. And once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this. And on this box, you have to provide your email. Then click on unlock my 10%. And then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from AppSumo Credits Gift. And this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.